Hello, I am Dr. Sudhir Kumar, consultant orthopedics and spine surgeon, Sravani Hospitals, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. So in Sravani Hospitals, we offer complete orthopedic services from shoulder to ankle, shoulder injuries, rotator cuff injuries, arthroscopic surgeries, elbow injuries, forearm fractures, and spine issues coming to sciatica or spine fixations or fractures, spinal cord injuries, complete total hip replacement and knee replacements, and sports injuries like ACL ligament injuries and surgeries, and lower limb fractures, ankle injuries. So anyone want to avail these services, please come and visit Sravani Hospitals. We have a complete good laminar OT and ICU team with good anesthesia team. So we can offer services to elderly and sick patients 24/7. Thank you.